Hello friends, this is Prabha from Exuberant Kitchen. Today we are going to see an excellent recipe that is called Urad Dal Vada. This is an amazing recipe because there are various benefits in this recipe. As I told you already, the Urad Dal is very much vital for our bone density. It will increase our bone density, and also the persons who are having menstrual cramps, we can use that. And this recipe is especially very much helpful for our ladies, and also who are having the hormonal imbalance can use this, and also the girls who are about to attain puberty can use this recipe at least weekly once. Let's check out how to do this recipe. For this I have soaked this urad dal of about 1.5 cups in this for 4 hours, and also I have soaked the raw rice for about a 1/4 cup of this for 4 hours along with dry red chilli. The reason for soaking the raw rice with this red chilli is so that it will be grind well, the chilli will be grind well, so that we can have a fine paste, fine batter. You should not discard this water because this water will have the spiciness. I am going to use this water while I am grinding this rice. First, I am going to take this red chilli and transferring it into the small mixer jar along with this raw rice, and we should not add more quantity of water. Here we have to take this batter in this consistency. And one more reason for adding that red chilli along with that rice is I don't want to make the children to find this red chilli. That is the one of the reason. Then here why I am taking the raw rice with this urad dal for making this recipe is the first reason, in order to enhance the crispiness of this vada, and the second reason is if you are having less quantity of urad dal in your house but you want to make it for more guests, you can add this quantity with that so that you can get a more number of vadas. These are the two reasons. Next I am going to transfer this urad dal into a larger mixer jar. I have transferred it, and also I am having the remaining quantity of water which I got it from the soaked rice and the chilli. So I am going to add this in a lesser quantity at once. Along with this I am going to add 3 pieces of garlic, then few chopped ginger. This will help in digestion. The right consistency of preparing batter is, first you should spread out the batter over your fingers. You must not find any coarse particles. That is the one way to find out the right consistency of batter. And one more thing is, you must take a cup of water and you put this batter over inside of this so that it must float. It is floating, right? This is the right consistency of the batter. And also one more thing here is, whenever you are preparing batter using this mixer jar, you have to add little by little quantity of water so that you can get a perfect vada. For preparing this both the batters, I have taken approximately 1 cup of water in this. Now we have to mix both the batters in a large vessel so that you can mix it well. Next I am going to add required salt. Next I am going to add the chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Next I am going to add the chopped 2 big onions. Now you have to mix it thoroughly to get a uniform consistency. This is how you have to mix it well. Now it's ready to put vada. Before putting the vada, you have to ensure that whether the oil has been attained its enough boiling point to prepare this vada. First just put like a bit of batter, which it must come up. This is the right boiling point to put vada. Now spread like this, make a hole, then you can put this vada. Once the vada turns golden brown, it's the right time to take it. And now it is ready to serve. And also I am going to tell you how to prepare curd vada in a right method. First, for preparing the curd vada, we have to take 4 teaspoons of curd and in this cup half a tumbler of milk. In this cup half a tumbler of milk, this much you have to pour along with this curd. The reason for adding this milk is the fermentation process will takes place in a lesser extent so that the sour taste will not be more. Then we have to add pinch of salt. Then we have to add the seasoning. Here I have added the oil, mustard seeds, red chilli, then curry leaves. This has to be fried in the oil. This content should be transferred into the curd. Now I am going to sprinkle some coriander leaves for seasoning. This will give a nice flavor. Then we have to add little water. Not too much water, little water. Then stir it, mix it thoroughly. See, now I got a wonderful vada. See how soft it is. This vada has a tendency to absorb this curd and we will get an excellent curd vada. Now I am going to put into this curd and we have to wait for half an hour. See, you have to push it inside. After half an hour, it is ready for serving. Finally, we got 2 varieties of vada dishes. I hope you all enjoyed this. Let's all utilize this and have the benefits of this urad dal. If you like this, subscribe for my channel. If you need some more recipes, you suggest me, then you try it and comment me. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you.